আসসালামু আলাইকুম সবাইকে, আশা করছি সবাই ভালো আছেন। সো আজকে লেসন আমরা শিখব কিছু Aussie slang যেগুলো খুবই important, especially if you're trying to pursue your higher studies here in Australia. So without further much to say, let's have a look at the top 100 most common Aussie slang words and phrases. So as you can see, the first one is a cold one. This refers to beer. Arvo means afternoon. An Aussie salute means wave to scare the flies. Avo means avocado. Bail refers to cancel plans. A barbie simply means barbecue. Bathers refers to swimsuit. Beauty means great. Billabong means a pond in a dry riverbed. Billy refers to teapot. Bloody means very. Bloody oath means yes, or that's very true. A bludger is someone who's really lazy. A bogan refers to someone who's not very sophisticated or educated. Booze bus is a police vehicle that's used to catch drunk drivers. Bottle-o refers to a liquor shop, a place where you can purchase alcohol and other drinks. A brekkie means breakfast. Brolly means umbrella. Budgie smugglers refers to speedos. Bush refers to out in the bush or away from civilization. A chock-a-block means full. A bicky means biscuit. A chuk refers to chicken. Chrissy means Christmas. Cobber means very good friend. A coldie refers to beer. A coppers refers to policeman. Cricky is an expression of surprise. A crook refers to someone who's a really bad person or a criminal. Dag means someone who's a bit of a nerd or geek. Dax means trousers. Dead set refers to something that's true. Defo means definitely. Devo means devastated. Drungo refers to a fool. A dunny is a toilet. Durry is a cigarette. An esky means an insulated container that keeps things cold. Facey refers to Facebook. Fair dinkum means honestly or yes honestly. A flanny or flano refers to flannelette shirt. Flat out means really busy. Footy, one of my favourite sports. That refers to AFL, Aussie rules. G'day means hello. Gala means not being bright, also stupid person. Nully means awesome. Going off means busy, lots of people. Good on ya means good work. A goon is a wine in a box. Hard yakka means hard work. Heaps means loads or lots of stuff. Hoon refers to a hooligan or a very bad driver. Iffy means bit risky or unreasonable. And knickers refers to as female's underwear. Lappy means laptop. Larrikin is someone who's always up for a laugh. Oh yes, lollies. It refers to sweets. Macca's means McDonald's. Manchester refers to sheets or linen. A mate means friend. Mozzie means mosquito. No drama refers to no problem or it's okay. Similarly, no worries means no problem, it's okay. No walkers refers to a truly Aussie way to say no worries. Outback refers to the interior of Australia, even more remote than the bush. Pash is to kiss. Pissed off is an offence or a vulgar way of saying you are very annoyed. Piss up is a party or a get together that occurs in Australia. Pissed refers to intoxicated or drunk. Piss off is an offensive way to tell someone to get away or get lost. Rack off refers to a less offensive way to tell someone to go away or get lost. Reckon means for sure. Relly or rello refers to relatives. Ripper means you little ripper, that's fantastic. Rooted or rooted refers to tired or broken. Runners means trainers or sneakers. Sanger means sandwich. Servo means service station or garage. Shayla refers to a woman. Sick means awesome, not the actual sickness. When you get sick, it instead means awesome. A sickie means a sick day off work. A slab refers to a carton of beers. Snag means sausage. Stoked means happy or pleased. Australia means Australia. So yeah, that's another way to say Australia. A stubby means a bottle of beer. Stuffed means tired. Sunnies refers to sunglasses or sunglasses. Swag refers to a single bed you can roll up a bit like a sleeping bag. Tea refers to dinner. Tiny is a can of beer or small boat. Thongs, refers to flip-flops. True blue means, genuinely Australian. Taka means food. Two up refers to a gambling game played on Anzac Day. Oh yeah, interestingly, yesterday was Anzac Day, 25th. UIE refers to take a U-turn when driving. Up yourself means stuck up. Whoop whoop means middle of nowhere. It lives out. Whoop whoop. So yeah, that's quite interesting. Yeah means you. Use is pretty much a plural of you. So yeah, these are the 100 slangs. If you guys enjoyed it, I'd recommend subscribing to my YouTube channel. And yeah, cheers.